Hi everyone, today we have this platform called SocialBee, and this is the best social media posts and feeds manager. So before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. So jumping straight onto the platform, you will be able to see a lot of the features are already ready to go. So I have currently added my YouTube channel in here. You can see if I want to create a post, I can click on this option. I'm going to be adding my information, like for example, if you want to add a photo or a video, I can do that in here and select from my local storage. Once I choose that, you can see we can also choose the schedule, so when to post. So if I want to post it now, or if I don't, I can simply turn it on or off depending on that. So I can add a post timing as well. We have our category related to which this video is. Now jumping back, you will be able to see a lot more features as well. Let me show you that as well. So here, as you can see, we can even connect our Facebook, Instagram, and all of these social media platforms to customize and upload our content there. So basically, this is the best social media post and feed manager. So you can also manage your content using this content manager option from the left side of your screen. If you want to edit in bulk, you can do that as well, and you can see all the features in here, like for example your hashtag collection, import CSV, import links, media, and much more. So you have social media copilot to help you and guide you generate your content as well. Of course, this is going to be AI powered. You have your schedule set up, so here all of your scheduled posts are going to be visible, and the next post analytics is going to be displaying all of the information and activity you are performing onto your social media platforms, so you can manage them much better. And yeah, so basically this is all it offers, and it have many other exciting features that you can explore yourself as well. If you are still worried about the reviews about SocialBee, great company and awesome support. SocialBee, great platform for content creators, and much more. So you can give it a try to SocialBee using the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.